In the previous session, we discussed about AWT, hierarchy of AWT. Now, you have to write a code for AWT. But how? Don't worry. Hey there, this is Vaishno and welcome back to our YouTube channel Study to Learn. In this session, we are going to code our first program in AWT using Frame and Applet. So let's start. So guys, in AWT, there are two types of top-level parent windows, which are Frame and Applet, whereas two types of top-level child windows, which are Panel and Canvas. So guys, do not confuse in this concept. Frame and Applet are the parent, however, Panel and Canvas are the children. As discussed in the previous session, Frame is a top-level parent window in which we can add components to develop GUI applications. In Java, Frame is a predefined class and this class is decided in java.awt package. So we can create Frame by extending Frame class and package java.awt.frame. As you can see on the screen, this is a demonstrative structure of Frame. Now we will see constructors of Frame class. Frame class provides two constructors. First constructor is a default constructor and second constructor take one string value in a parameter. As you can see on the screen, this is an example of default constructor and this is an example of constructor with string parameter. Here Frame is a class name and F is an object of class. Frame class provides some methods. They are setTitle, setVisible and setSet. We will see each and every method one by one. First method is setTitle. As the name of method, this method allows us to set title of frame. Like setTitle in bracket new. This method will create frame with title new. Second method is setVisible, which will determine visibility of frame. By default, frame is invisible. In method, if parameter is true, then frame will be visible, and if parameter is false, then frame will be invisible. Now third method is setSize, which take two integer parameter which are respectively width and height of frame. Now we will see this demonstrative program of Frame class. In this program, we created a simple frame with title first name and size 700 by 700. As you can see in this program, first line is the import line in which we import AWT package for Frame class. After that, this is the name of program which extends Frame class. This is a constructor of class in which we define method of Frame class. This sets the title of frame. With the help of this method, frame will be visible, and this is a width and this is the height of window. Now we will run this program and checks for output. I wrote this code in Dr. Java. You can use any Java IDE as your convenience. So let's compile. And our compilation is completed, which is showing in compiler output tab. Now we will run this code and you can see on the screen output is here with simple frame window. We discussed about how to create window with a frame class. Now we will see creating a window with applet class. So guys, as we know, applet is a top level parent window with methods like init, start, stop, destroy to create and add object. In Java, applet is a user defined package resided in an applet package. We can create applet window by extending a class applet and package named as java.applet.applet. Guys, do not confuse here. First applet is with small a and last applet is with a capital A. As you can see on the screen, this is a code snippet which we have to use in our applet program. Let's see the demonstrative program for applet, in which we created a simple applet window with red background. So guys, in import section, we use applet package for applet class and AWT package for graphic class. Here our class name is appletx and extends applet. In this class, we use paint method with the object of graphic class to set a background. This is the applet code with name, width and height of applet window. Let's compile and run our code and see the output. Now I am going to compile a program and our compilation is completed, which is showing in a compiler output tab. Now we will run this code and as you can see on the screen, output is here with a simple applet window. At the end of the session, we will see some MCQs on today's topic. First question is, JPanel and applet use which layout as their default layout? The answer is flow layout. Next question is, which method is used to set the visibility of frame? Answer is setVisible in bracket true. And applet is word of panel, and applet is a subclass of panel, so answer is subclass. Next question is, which is method will cause a frame to be displayed? Answer is setVisible true. The coordinate of upper left corner of frame is what? Answer is 0, 0. Default layout manager of frame is what? Answer is border layout.